This week we are going to talk about speed graphs. Speed graphs are sometimes known as distance over time graphs. That's because when we take a look at our axes on a speed graph or distance over time graph, our x-axis down here is going to be our time, and our y-axis here is our distance. We know that to calculate speed, we do our distance divided by our time. When we're finding the slope of a graph, we take our y divided by our x. That idea is going to come up later. I want to talk a little bit about the different types of graphs you might see. Each of these graphs is going to have time down here on the bottom axis and our distance up here on the left. Speed graphs will have lines that show the motion. For instance, a speed graph that shows this motion would indicate that we have a constant speed, a constant change in distance over time. A graph like this with a straight horizontal line indicates that there's no change in distance over time. This would be stopped. The slope of the line indicates the speed, as I'd mentioned earlier. For instance, a steeper slope would indicate a faster speed. A graph with a low slope would indicate a slower speed. As you are taking a cursory glance at different graphs, it's important to keep these things in mind.